Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to test out a new foundation, and this is from Essence. I know it's not for a long time on the market, and I'm talking about this Fresh and Fit foundation, which has vitamin complex and niacinamide, and it lasts up to 12 hours. Now I did want to try this one because I don't know, summer is coming, so I'm looking for a less coverage, natural looking foundation, but that lasts all day, because I have combination skin. During the summer I don't know, I sweat a lot and so on, so I want the foundation to actually last. So if you want to see how this works and how it behaves on my skin, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, of course, has a pump, but it feels more like how I can see from inside the bottle, like serum foundation, the one that is from The Ordinary. So let's see what it says on the back. So it's weightless foundation, gives you the perfect blend of makeup and skincare. So for natural glow, thanks to the vitamin complex and vitamin E, B5, niacinamide. It has medium to high coverage. So this is good because it does have a bit of a coverage. And you have the ingredients in the back as well, and this is vegan, and mine is in the shade Fresh Honey. So I did bought a more darker shade because, as I did mention, summer is coming, so yeah. Now I'm gonna use a sponge and I'm gonna use a brush as well, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna behave. So let's see. Okay, it's not extremely thick and it's not extremely thin. Maybe I can compare it with the Catrice True Skin. It's pretty similar on the texture. So yeah, it's not too runny, and I think the shade is slightly darker, so I'm gonna use one of the Pro Color foundation mixer from LA. This is not gonna change your texture, it's just lighten it up a bit because I think it's too dark. I like how it feels. It feels quite creamy. It does spread nicely, and yes, it does have coverage, but I think with a brush like this you'll always have like lighter coverage, and so if you're looking for a really lightweight, you can use the brush. You can barely see it, and it does look nice on the skin, guys. I'm curious if you can actually build it up with a brush. They're depend of the foundation. There are different types of foundation where you can actually, I don't know, the brush works better. For example, some serum foundations, your baby creams, those look better. But this is because this is a bit more thicker than a serum foundation. It looks nice, guys. It looks so natural with the brush, but I'm looking for a better coverage. So if you're happy with just a bit of a tint, literally just even up your skin tone, you'll love it with a brush. And to be fair, it doesn't look bad. I mean, it's not the coverage I'm looking for at the moment, so that's why I'm gonna go with the sponge next, because it does look nice. It gives a beautiful glow, and it's just making your skin looking better with the brush. So I'm gonna try with the sponge to see if it gives you the same effect. Okay, now it looks a bit whiter, but let's see with the sponge. I'm excited about this. I like how it looks on the skin. It looks really natural, but I think with the sponge you have slightly more coverage. Definitely have more coverage with the sponge, but it looks similar, like it's nothing there. Wow, to be fair, I'm shocked how lovely it looks on the skin. You have a beautiful glow, but it's not crazy. It's just like a glow within. This is how it looks like. Like you have nothing on the skin, but it just evens everything up. I like how it looks on the skin. It just sinks in, it doesn't emphasize any of your pores. This is the most natural foundation I ever tried in my life. I'm not joking, guys. And I paid £5 for this. So made everything, it's like I applied moisturizer. This is how it looks like, except it just covered a lot of stuff. So it literally feels like I just applied moisturizer. Nothing on your skin. Wow. So yeah, you can build it up. Definitely you can build it up. This is more lightweight than the Catrice one. That one you can see it on the face, but this one you can barely see it. I don't know if you guys can see it close in the camera, but on real life, because I'm filming on natural lighting now, it looks so good. Like I have nothing on my skin. Now I'm curious how it's gonna look after I apply powder, because that can change when you apply powder. Situation can change, of course. What I'm gonna do next, I'll go of course and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Look how it looks up close. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's natural. It doesn't seem to transfer, which it means it's gonna last. But yeah, I'm gonna put it to test today because I'm about to go out, so I'm gonna make this really quick. Yes, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna do some shots outside in the sunlight as well, and I'll catch up with you later after I don't know how many hours I'm gonna wear it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. So literally I just came back from a long walk I had today. It's still it's not dark outside, so it's still daylight. So literally what you see now on my face is basically from the daylight. I have this foundation on for about 7 hours I think now, and to be fair, it did behave well. It's really hot outside. I did sweat a lot, to be fair. I wear some sunglasses as well, so apart from that, it's rubbed off a bit from where actually my sunglasses stood. I think this foundation still looks nice, and it hasn't rubbed off, just maybe slightly from my forehead. Now it's transferring, but when I did apply it, it didn't. So it's just rubbed off slightly from here because I was wearing a wig as well, so it was really hot. So yeah, literally I put this foundation to test quite a lot, being really hot outside. I think it lasted nice, and on the daylight it still looks really nice. Even with the powder on top, I think it literally stayed nice. So I think for a summer weather, this foundation behaves alright. I mean, it still looks like skin, even if it does have coverage, and now it's slightly transferring. But yeah, to be fair, I'm impressed. So I've been wearing this for 7 hours. Probably I'm gonna stay a bit more with this on. I'm just slightly shiny on this end, but not a big deal. It didn't really, when the oils didn't really pick through, even if it's like really hot outside. Today was 20 something degrees outside and sunny. It's still sunny out now outside. I'm definitely gonna wear it more. I'm gonna wear it when I'm gonna go on holiday as well, because as I did mention, it behaves well. I don't feel my face greasy at all, or heavy or oily or nothing. Like I have nothing on my face, literally. Now, thank you very much for watching, guys. I do appreciate watching it, and if you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, because it will mean a lot for me and my channel as well. If you tried this foundation before, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would like to hear from you how actually this foundation behaved, if you actually tried it. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye.